Hello everyone. Before I literally say any more, yes, it's August. But it's the end of August. And fall is basically my favorite season of all time. I love Halloween. I love everything. Literally every single thing about it. I've gotten really into making playlists, as you can tell, because I do a lot of these type of videos on my channel. I'm gonna be making my fall playlist, but actually I lied. I'm not making it, I'm adding to it, because last year I made a fall, oh my god, I can't, nope, I'm not speaking today. Last year I made a fall playlist, and the year before that, and the year before that, and before that. I'm just gonna kind of like reuse the one that I already made, because I have a lot of songs on there that I still really like. And I'm still gonna keep the picture that I have now. Looks like that. It's from The Corpse Bride, one of the best Halloween movies ever. I love any Tim Burton movie, so if I do change the picture of this, it's definitely gonna be from a Tim Burton movie, because that represents Halloween in fall time. So it's called My Fall Vibes, because it is all of my fall vibes. I have a few necessary fall songs on here already. I'm gonna take some off actually, because a lot of them are kind of sad. We have Sweater Weather by The Neighborhood. We're keeping that one on, of course. Hoser, don't even try me with names. He gives very much fall. We have Take Me to Church and Cherry Wine. We're keeping Pretty Boy by The Neighborhood. I don't know why, but that just reminds me of like fall. Need to Exile by Taylor Swift and Bon Iver. I don't know why, but I need that song. Once again, it's sad, but we need it. See, this is where it gets hard. Rosalind it's from like the Twilight soundtrack. Okay, sometimes when I'm filming videos, or just these videos, just any videos, I realize how I sound and I'm like, oh my god. Like, I would hate me. What I was saying though is it's from the Twilight soundtrack. I want to keep it on there, but it's so sad. I'm taking it off. I can't do it. I can't do it. Anyway, Season of the Witch by Lana Del Rey. I have to have it, because I have to have Lana Del Rey. Kingston by Faye Webster has to stay. I love Faye Webster. Take Off Young by Vacations. I don't know. Don't need it. Another Story. I don't know what that song is, but I'm taking it off. Without You by Beach Goons is really sad. Why did I have so many sad, I'm taking it off. Why did I have so many sad songs? Was I okay? I also took off This Side of Paradise, just cause, I don't know. Now it's the big time to add songs. This is the point of this video. This is the fun part of this video. I've been really loving Phoebe Bridgers right now. Like, I love her so much, and it sucks because, not sucks, it's like she's so good. A lot of her songs are like sad, not sad, but like slow. But then again, I feel like that's kind of what fall is, like fall music, and like the fall, not trying to say vibes, but vibes are very like soft. I'm gonna add Kyoto. No, I don't know. I'm gonna add that song to the playlist, and I'm also gonna add Halloween, because it feels fitting. Honestly, I would love to add like all of her songs from Punisher, Stranger in the Alps, Boy Genius, like all of her albums, but it might be a little too sad. I'm also gonna add Just For Me by Pink Panthers. So the playlist a little bit. It'll make it a little bit more fun. Also add Pain, just because it kind of goes in, I guess. I don't know how I forgot about this song. We have to add Cigarette Daydreams. That's just like the best song in the whole world. I don't know why it's so hard to find songs that are like fall-y or like autumn-y that aren't depressing. I'm gonna add Birds Don't Sing by TV Girl. I want to add some Brockhampton. I haven't listened to Brockhampton in so long. I'm gonna add a little spice to this playlist, and I'm gonna add Bankroll by Brockhampton. It has A$AP Rocky and A$AP Ferg in it, I'm pretty sure. I love that. I also want to add Joey Bad Butt. Joey Bad Butt. It's called Purified by Joey Bad. I'm also gonna add Temper Temper. The person who sings it kind of reminds me of someone, or like a certain artist. I think it's like, kind of reminds me of Cage the Elephant. Let It Be by the Beatles. I don't know why, but I've been really into that song, and I think I just need to have that song in every single playlist that I have, because it's very sweet. It always puts me in a good mood. and it gives me a good mindset. I'm also gonna add some Mac DeMarco. Now, don't attack me. I know all the big Mac DeMarco fans are gonna literally like eat me, but I'm gonna add, you know, some basic songs. My Kind of Woman, have to. I'm also gonna add a wolf who wears sheep's clothes. I love his song names. They're just, they're different. They're unique. I'm also gonna add On the Level by Mac DeMarco. I'm also gonna add Raspberry by Group Love. I'm gonna add She Needs Him by Hers because the voice of the singer, I don't know who it is. It's like a deep, like kind of dark voice. It reminds me of Halloween. I'm also gonna add Small Worlds by Mac Miller. I kind of want to add more Mac Miller. But before I do that, I want to go to, I don't know why I just got this idea. I want to go to the American Horror Story, I found this playlist by this girl named Bells, and it's called If American Horror Story Was a Playlist, and that is what I'm looking for. So the first song, Black Beauty by Lana Del Rey, I don't know why I did not think of this song before, because I'm obsessed with Lana Del Rey. I don't know what I'm thinking, I don't know why I didn't think of this either, but we need Amy Winehouse. I'm gonna add Back to Black, and I'm also gonna add Valerie, and we need Melanie Martinez. Oh my god, everything's popping in my head now. We need Carousel by Melanie Martinez. We need Dollhouse. Oh my, there's so many Melanie Martinez songs that need to go on here. The person that we kind of just have to have, since this is a Jackie playlist, we have to have A$AP Rocky. Oh, it's going on. I'm gonna add Holy Ghost by A$AP and Joe Fox. I feel like some of these songs aren't really like fall related, but they are, but they aren't, but in my head they are. I really don't know how to explain it, but I'm gonna add Frat Rules by A$AP Mob, A$AP Rocky, Playboi Carti. I'm also gonna add Distorted Records by A$AP. Another one of my favorite artists recently and always. Why am I so bright? Steve Lacy, I added his song Some. I want to add some more of his songs. Tyler the Creator, why is that? Why are we not? Corso by Tyler the Creator is going on there, and we need some more songs like him. I have to add Vamp Anthem by Playboi Carti because do we not hear the beginning? I'm also gonna add She by Tyler the Creator and Frank Ocean. One of the best songs ever, and one of the like main songs that reminds me of fall. I don't know why, but it's, I've always felt that way. I'm also gonna add Come Here by Dominic Fike. I want more Dominic Fike. He is really good. I'm gonna add Palace/Curse by The Internet, Steve Lacy, Tyler the Creator. I feel like I have enough, you know, fun, not completely depressing songs. I'm really just trying to find songs that have a balance of, you know, like cozy in fall and not in a little, not depressing, but just kind of chill and not depressing. Does that make sense? Yeah. I feel like I added enough songs today, and if you want to see any more songs that I'm gonna add, you can go follow this playlist. It'll be linked in the description. So this is my fall playlist. I'm ready for fall. I'm ready to light all my pumpkin candles. I'm ready. I don't really like the taste of pumpkin, but I'm ready to eat pumpkin with my nose plugged. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and always be commenting video requests, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.